Network marketing. Network marketing is known by various names, including multi-level marketing (MLM), cellular marketing, affiliate marketing, consumer-facing marketing, referral marketing, or corporate franchising. Activities that involve selling products to family and friends and recruiting others for that purpose are called multi-level marketing (MLM), network marketing, or direct marketing. In most MLMs, investors, also known as distributors or sellers, make money by selling the company's products and getting others to do the same. Things can get more complicated when a network marketing network rewards members primarily for referring others rather than selling the company's products or services. If a company pays a commission to recruit additional reps instead of selling products, it's a wake-up call that it may be using a pyramid scheme. Pyramid schemes can sometimes be distinguished by the fact that they focus more on recruiting than selling products. One problem is pyramid schemes that use next-generation money to pay the people at the top, often taking advantage of the people by pretending they are involved in legitimate multi-level marketing. Pyramid schemes are created to encourage everyone to keep recruiting people in order to keep a constant flow of new distributors and their money into the business. Promoters see recruiting new distributors for your distribution network as a real way to make money. An enthusiastic sales force leads to increased sales and recruitment of new employees to your marketing network. On the business side, they benefit from outsourcing their salespeople by reducing marketing costs, as typically salespeople have to promote their products and events. This means you are selling directly to other people, perhaps from your home, a client's home, or online. In many organizations, most of the sales are in the form of selling product blocks to suppliers. Network marketing is a business model based on the personal selling of independent representatives, often working from home. Network marketing can be a one-tier program where you sell products or a multi-tier program where you also hire additional sellers. While there may be rules about how you can and can't sell or sell a network marketing company's products because the company's involvement basically ends after your purchase, you have a lot of freedom in how you make your sales.